In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present slides in a Circle.so meeting. Whether you're an experienced host or a newcomer to the platform, you'll find this tutorial straightforward and effective, helping you to seamlessly showcase your slides in a live session. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your community page on Circle.so. This platform is your starting point for anything community related, offering a hub for your interactions and sessions. Once you're there, take a look at the interface. You'll notice a variety of options, but what you're looking for is the Go Live button. This button is essential for initiating any live session on Circle, so go ahead and give it a click. After clicking Go Live, you'll need to select the option that says Start a Live Room. It's an intuitive choice on the platform that essentially begins the process of setting up your live presentation space. Once selected, you'll see a Next button prompt encouraging you to advance. Click on this to move forward in the setup process. As you proceed, it's time to enter the details of your meeting. This is a crucial step, as providing clear and concise details helps your attendees understand the purpose and content of the session. Think about what your audience needs to know and fill in the necessary information accurately. Once you've completed the previous step and checked your details for accuracy, hit the Next button again to continue. At this point, you might want to ensure everything is technically ready by clicking on Test Your Video. This is a smart precaution to take. Making sure your video setup is functioning correctly can prevent any last-minute hiccups during your presentation. Now that you've double-checked your video, you're ready to officially start your session by clicking the Start Room button. This action will open up your live room to your audience, so ensure you're prepared to engage with your participants effectively. Next, you'll see a Join Now button on your screen. Click on this to officially enter the session, putting you right at the center of the action. Once you're in, it's time to share what you came to present. Locate the Share Screen option, which is typically easy to find on the platform. This tool is your gateway to showcase your slides to everyone in the meeting. Finally, with the screen sharing enabled, simply present your slides. Remember to speak clearly and keep your audience engaged throughout the presentation. Your slides are the visual aid, but how you narrate and connect with your audience will define the session's success. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and presented your slides in a Circle.so meeting. Keep practicing these steps to ensure smooth and professional presentations every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.